Our lives can be pretty chaotic. Did you know that your body is in a state of chaos as well? Imagine a busy city street full of blindfolded drivers. Complete madness, right? This same type of chaos is happening in your body's endocannabinoid system. In case you were wondering, yes, I had to practice that one a few times. We recognize this chaos as restlessness, exhaustion, stress, indigestion, aches, pains, and much, much more. These signs of chaos affect us every day and keep us from being more, doing more, and, quite frankly, living more. Sound familiar? The problem is there are hundreds of cannabinoid receptors that communicate with the other systems in your body. When these receptors are starved of cannabinoids, there's a serious communication breakdown in our bodies. Lack of communication in any scenario is damaging, especially when it comes to your health and well-being. But don't worry, the greatest, most fantastic, and amazing solution to feeling and living your best is about to happen right here and right now. Scientific studies have discovered how to fuel your endocannabinoid system with a pure, potent, and proven product. Liv Hydro Pro Drops. Liv Hydro Pro Drops contain quality phytocannabinoids extracted from hemp to lift the blindfolds for faster and clearer communication to help calm the internal chaos. Now, if your eyes widen at the word hemp, just hear me out. There's a lot of talk about hemp, cannabis, and legalization going on. It can be confusing as it's uncharted territory for most of us. Here are some facts and insights to help. The hemp plant and the other plant people confuse it with are both of the cannabis family. While both plants have many medicinal effects, they are vastly different. The key differentiating element is THC. THC is a psychoactive cannabinoid which results in the high you may have heard about that comes from the other plant. Hemp is non-psychoactive, containing only trace amounts of THC, meaning it does not make you high. Unfortunately and unfairly, because the two plants look so much alike, hemp was outlawed 50 years ago along with the other plant. Fast forward to today, and the laws have changed. As governments and regulators realize the positive benefits of hemp, it is once again leading the agriculture industry being grown, harvested, and extracted in the U.S. and all around the world. Now, back to what matters most for you, a solution to your internal chaos problems. Hydro Pro Drops Premium Formula provides you with the incredible benefits of organically grown medicinal quality hemp, certified free of THC. Hydro Pro is the premium choice for maximum bioavailability. The sciencey term is nano-enhanced absorption technology. That's just a fancy term for what your body actually absorbs. Think of a filter. Only the smallest particles can pass through and be absorbed by the body. HydroPro's patent-pending nano-enhanced absorption technology, or NEAT, creates tiny droplets resulting in a truly water-soluble product. This means your body will absorb 5 to 7 times more the beneficial ingredients compared to other products in the market. Isn't that neat? Sorry, Texas, smaller is better. Are you ready to feel better and to live better? You don't have to accept the chaos. You can change it. Don't you deserve to be more, do more, and live more? Now is the time to experience the difference for yourself with Liv Hydro Pro Drops. Get your Hydro Pro today by contacting the person who shared this awesome video with you.